Hi, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you a very good resource for learning multiple languages. It is Solo Learn. This is a very nice website. It has its own app both for iOS and Android where you can learn multiple languages. You see, here is the website. There are a lot of languages provided out here. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of basically everything is in quiz form. So the learning is very good. I have been using it for like a week or so now. Okay, so I will be showing you all the courses. See, it has like Python, C++, Java. I completed Java and I'm planning to do the JavaScript. It is very good for beginners and those who are very new to the coding. And also if you want to like refresh your like some skills or like language skills, so you can do that. Or if you want to learn new thing, like I do not know Python, so I can easily get a head start from here. See, it has lots of languages and they are currently like adding every time languages and more quizzes into this. Okay, so I'll be showing you my profile. See, uh, this is my profile. I completed my course in Java, and the very good thing is like they are providing with some like certificates after you complete the whole course. Like they will ask MCQ questions and all those things after le- learning one of the sections. See, this is a certificate which I got. See, it was issued on 20 August 2020. Okay, so it is pretty nice. You can share your certificates on LinkedIn and other platforms. Okay, and for like doing achieve like some tasks, you get some achievements. Okay, and these were the courses section. It is really very nice. I completed Java and I'm planning to do more of them. So it has the thing called code playground where you can like create your codes and like you can also see what other people have coded here and you can play with them. Okay, this is very good for exploring. Okay, there's a discussion forum, like you can post any question and you can like answer, see what others have posted. Okay, like I posted some days back some question, like okay, and I also could see my answers what I have written. I see, since like a lot of people do not know this, but it has a good amount of like community. People here are like responding to whatever you ask, so it is very good. And this is that kind of very good. You can use it for asking questions. This is a dashboard for leaders. Okay, which is, see, this is mine. I just started out. Okay, and you can also read some blog posts out here. So this is pretty nice. Have been using it for the, like I said, the last week. So you can explore it. You can, I will definitely recommend everybody to, if you're new to coding or like if you're intermediate also, you can check out, you can gather some certificates you want to. If you want to learn new languages, it is very good for you also. So yeah, uh, explore this. I will put the link in the description, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did like it, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and thank you for watching it.